Men over 60, you're not weak. You're just missing one tiny but incredibly powerful element. They tell you that after 60, it's normal for desire to fade, that a man's vitality declines because of old age, that intimacy should take a back seat to a quieter routine. But no one ever told you this. A lack of zinc, a simple trace mineral, could be why your testosterone is dropping, your blood flow is sluggish, and your emotional connection feels cold. Worse yet, you might be eating wrong, losing zinc every day without even knowing it. I'm Dr. Nathan Alex, a men's health specialist with over 27 years of experience helping over 3,000 men in California and Arizona reclaim their masculine strength after 60. No synthetic hormones, no expensive injections, just rebuilding from the root. Nutrition, circulation, and natural vitality. I've seen too many great husbands start to shy away from touch. Not because they don't love their wives, but because deep down, they don't feel man enough to spark that connection. It's because low zinc leads to low testosterone, which means your brain stops sending signals and your confidence steps back too. Right now, I'll share 3 zinc-rich foods, what I call the 3 pillars of masculine recovery, and how to use them at the right time, in the right amount, the right way, to restore your male reflexes in just days. Stay with me for 2 minutes. What you're about to hear could transform intimacy in your marriage after 60. If you don't want to miss the key part coming up, hit subscribe and turn on notifications now. Because soon I'll reveal the golden hour for zinc to boost blood flow to your pelvic region. The truth about zinc. Most men don't realize this. Zinc is the spark that reignites desire. Every day, men over 60 lose 2 to 4 milligrams of zinc through urine, sweat, and semen, but they don't replenish enough from food. Losing zinc means testosterone can't be produced, your prostate doesn't work efficiently, and your blood vessels struggle to open for proper flow down there. It's a silent cycle that makes many men think their time is up. Food 1. Oysters. Harold, 71, from Texas, once said something I'll never forget. I have an amazing wife, but I don't feel like a man strong enough to keep her close anymore. We didn't start with pills. We started with 6 small oysters a week. Just 3 weeks later, Harold came back and said, I don't just feel stronger physically, I feel like I've got a reason to reconnect with old feelings. Why do oysters work? They pack a whopping 74 milligrams of zinc per 100 grams, the highest of any food. They also have natural dopamine, boosting excitement gently, without dependency. How to use them? Eat 2 to 3 raw or lightly steamed oysters 2 to 3 times a week, 30 minutes before dinner. Comment oyster if you've tried oysters or want to try them to boost vitality naturally. Food 2. Pumpkin seeds. Zinc in pumpkin seeds has a huge advantage. It not only boosts testosterone, but also reduces prostate inflammation, a common cause of weak vitality, nighttime urination, and loss of control. Raymond, 68, used to rely on sleeping pills because of constant nighttime trips to the bathroom. After swapping his evening snack for a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds, in just 10 days, his sleep improved, nighttime urination dropped, and in his words, morning came and I felt ready for something I thought I lost. How to use them? 2 tablespoons of dry roasted pumpkin seeds every evening. Chew them well. You can mix with warm, unsweetened milk. Comment pumpkin if you've used pumpkin seeds or plan to try them tonight. Food 3. Grass-fed beef. Not all red meat is bad. Grass-fed beef, especially lean shoulder or sirloin, is rich in zinc, plus natural carnitine and creatine, which rebuild muscle, boost strength, and regenerate reproductive cells. A study from the University of Oregon found men over 60 eating 3 servings of grass-fed beef weekly had 12 to 18% higher testosterone than those eating industrial meat. Dennis, 66, used to avoid red meat, fearing cholesterol, but after switching to grass-fed beef, grilled to medium, he called it the meat that brought back the confidence I thought I left at 50. How use it? 4 to 6 ounces per serving, grilled or pan-seared, not charred, pair with green vegetables to aid absorption. Comment beef if you've tried grass-fed beef or want to know where to find a trusted source. You're not fading. You're just missing the fuel your body once relied on to be a man. Zinc isn't a miracle cure, but without it, your endocrine system, nerves, and vitality slowly slip away. The good news is, adjust it right, and you can restore your vitality naturally, no drugs needed. You're not broken. You're not aging pointlessly. You just need the right approach, from the inside out. If you've read this far, you're probably searching for something to live more fully again. We've walked through 3 zinc-rich foods, each one a spark to awaken the masculine strength that's been dormant after 60. You don't need to force yourself to wear a tough guy label. You just need to nourish your biology, step by step, day by day. Just 10 minutes a day. Eat right, breathe slow, and reconnect with the feelings you once had. Your body is still there. Your mind is still waiting to connect. That journey starts today, with you.